Hello students, in this video let's learn about multiplication. Steps to do multiplication. We are going to multiply 7054 by 963. That is multiplying a 4-digit number by a 3-digit number. So copy the number properly, 7054, then the second number 963. So now we are going to multiply. Arrange the number as per the place as usual. So now first let's take 3 ones. Let's multiply this 3 ones with 4 and with 5, then 0 and then 7. So 3 fours are, 3 fives are, 3 zeros are, 3 sevens are, like that we are going to multiply. So now 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. So under each column we'll be writing single digit only, no? So 3 fours are 12 comes mean we'll write 2 and we'll bring the carry over to the next place here. You can write the carry over or you can have the carry over in your finger also, because when we multiply the large numbers we will be writing more carry overs here, over this, so you may have confusion to which number is the proper carry over. To avoid the confusion, you can have the carry over in your finger itself. Now 3 fours are 12, so the last digit, the second digit 2 we will be writing down, then this 1 you can have in your finger, that carry over you can have in your finger. So now 3 fours are 12, so we will write 2 down and have the carry over 1 in your finger. Then 3 fives are 15 and you have carry over in your finger, no? 1 add 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So again we get 2-digit number. So write down that 6. The second digit only we will write down. And again that carry over 1 have in your finger. We finish 2 digits, 2 places. 3 fours are 12, carry over 1. 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So we are writing down 6 and again have the carry over in your finger. Now the carry over 1. Then 3 zeros are, 0, because any number multiplied by 0 we get 0. 3 zeros are 0. Then carry over is there, no? 1. Don't forget to add. So 0 plus 1, 1. So now 1 we are writing down. Then at present no carry over. Then 3 sevens are 21. So no other digit to multiply. So just write that 21 as it is under 7 1. Then to the next place we are writing to 21. 2 1 21. So now this is the product of 3 ones. With 3 ones we multiplied this 7054 and we received this product. First row we finish. Then we are going to multiply by 6 tens. That is 60. So like how do we multiply? 6 fours are, then 6 fives are, 6 zeros are, 6 sevens are. So always we will be starting to multiply with ones only. You are taking 6 tens and you are going to multiply from 4. 6 fours are, 6 fives are, 6 zeros are, and then 6 sevens are. So when we multiply, we will be getting solution, no? That answer to be written under this column. We are starting to multiply with 6 tens, no? So you have to write the answer. We have to start writing the digit under this column, under tens column. So to engage this column we can place plus or 0 or blank also can be done. So now 6 fours are, now we are taking tens place 6 and we are multiplying with this. 6 fours are 24. So we will write down 4 here and have the carry over 2 in your finger. See, we have to start writing the answer under tens column. 6 fours are 24. carry over 2, have in your finger. Then 6 fives are 30, then you have carry over in your finger 2, add that. 6 fives are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. So 2 we are writing down, then 3 is the carry over. So you can have the carry over in your finger. 6 zeros are 0, then carry over is there, 0 plus 3, 3. Here we are writing down. At present no carry over, then 6 sevens are 42. So now we finish. The second row is the product of 6 tens. So with this 6 tens we multiplied 7054 and we received this solution. So now the next number 900 we are going to multiply with 900. So we must start writing the product, I mean the answers under this column, under 9. We have to start writing here. So to engage the remaining column, you can write zeros because in 100 two zeros will come. Or otherwise you can engage with 2 plus also. So now 9 fours are 9 you are taking, you are going to multiply with 4, with 5, with 0, then 7. 9 fours are 36. So 6 we will be writing under 9. So 6 and carry over 3. 9 fours are 36. 6 we are writing down. Have the carry over 3 in your finger. Then 9 fives are 45. Add the carry over 3, 45 plus 3, 48. So 8 we are writing down and have the carry over 4. Then 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4, 4. So finish, no carry over. So finally 9 sevens are 63. No carry over, so we are writing as it is. If there is carry over, we must add the carry over. So we finished all the product, that is we multiplied by 3 ones, we received a product. We multiplied by 6 tens, we received a product. And we multiplied by 9 hundreds and last product. Remember, when you multiply with ones, so you have to start writing the product under ones column. Then when you start multiplying the tens, so write the product under tens column. Start writing the answers under tens column. Likewise under hundreds column. To engage the remaining column, you can place plus because the next step we are going to add, that is sum of the product we are going to find. We are going to find the sum, that is total of these products. So we will be starting from ones place 2. 6 plus 4, 10. So 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. So again 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. So 3, carry over 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So at present no carryover. So 4 plus 3 7. Then here 6 we are bringing down. So the final answer is 67 lakh 93,002. I mean to multiply many methods are available. So now lattice method of multiplication we'll see. If you are going to multiply 2 digit by 2 digit. To multiply 2 digit by 2 digit. See, we are drawing the box like this and we are writing the number 3737 top and right hand side 5656. We are drawing the box like this column for 3 and this column for 7 and this first row for 5, the second row for 6. Okay, then next step we have to multiply. See, multiply the number on top of the box with the number to the right of the box and write the answer in the box. Now take 5. Let's multiply with 7. 5 sevens are 35. This 5 and 7 meet at this box only, no children. So 5 sevens are 5, 7. 5 sevens are 35. So write 3, 5, 35. How do we write? 3, 5, 35. Then 5 threes are 15. So how do we write? 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Finished. Then next we are taking 6. Then 6 sevens are 42. 4 to 42. And 6 threes are 18. 1, 8, 18. Don't change the order. If you write 8, 1 here, 81, it becomes 81. So write with proper order. We multiplied now without having any confusion with the carryover. Here no carryover when we multiply. Okay, then next. Now we are going to add the numbers in the box diagonally and carry to the next column when necessary. So now we finished. Now we are going to add. We are going to find the product. To do that, we will be starting from this triangle. See, we have one triangle. Now from here we will start. Then we will move like this and we will end with this triangle. So now in this triangle just 2, copy down the 2. Then in this diagonal row, this row, diagonal row, 5, 4, 8, all these three numbers to be added. In this diagonal row, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. So when two digit number comes, write the 7 down and bring the carry over 1 to the next diagonal row here. So when here in this row, anywhere you can write this carry over here, here, anywhere you can write in this diagonal row. So now we must add 1, 3, 5 and 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So we are writing down 0 and bring the carry over to the next. So here 1 and the carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So now we finish. So the final solution is 2072. The product of 37 and 56 is 2072. Now we are going to see multiplying. We are going to multiply 349 by 63. 3 digit by 2 digit. So how to do? By lattice method. First we are drawing box like this. Here 3 digit number, no? See, we drew like this. This first column for 3, second column for 4, third column for 9. Likewise, this first row for 6 and the second row for 3. Like this we will be drawing box, and over each column and row we will be writing the digit. 349 and here 63. 63, don't change the order. If you write 3 here, 6 here, it becomes 36. You will get wrong answer. So write properly. After drawing the box, we are drawing the diagonal lines here. We have to draw like this. Then we are multiplying. We are starting to multiply. 6 nines are 54, like that. So now 6 nines are 54. 6 fours are 24. 2 4, 24. 6 threes are 18. 1 8, 18. Likewise 3 nines are 27. 2 7, 27. 3 and 9 meet here only, no, so we will write here. Then 3 fours are 3 and 4. Here only meeting. So 3 fours are 12. 1 2, 12. Then 3 threes are 9. 9 single digit means 0 9 we have to write. 3 threes are 9 mean 0 9. Suppose when you multiply by 0, 3 zeros are 0 means 0 0 we will write here. 0 9 9. If you write 9 here, here 0 means it becomes 90. You will get wrong answer. So 3 threes are 9. So in this method, you will not have that carry over when you multiply. Only when you add, you will have the carry over. So now we are going to add. So from where do we start? Here, from this triangle. So here we have 7. The next diagonal row we are adding 4, 2 and 2 we are going to add. So when we add 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Here no carryover. Then next row we are adding, we must add all these numbers 5, 4, 1, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. So 2 digit number. So write 9 down and carry over 1 to this diagonal row anywhere you can write. So now in this row 2, 8, 0 and 1. All these to be added. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we are writing 1 and the carry over 1 we brought here. So now 1 plus 1, 2. So to pick up the answer, we have to, we have to move from here, from this top, 21987. So the product of 349 and 63 is 21,987. So next, 3 digit by 3 digit. How do we multiply by lattice method? 3 digit by 3 digit. So now see, we are drawing like a square box, 3 rows and 3 columns, and we are drawing the diagonals also like this. And over each row and column we have to write the numbers properly. 948, the first column for 9, second column for 4, and third column for 8. Likewise, first row for 8, second row for 2, and third row for 7. Like that we have to draw. Then we are multiplying. 8 eights are 64, 6 4 64, 8 fours are 32, 3 2 32, 8 nines are 72, 7 2 72, and 2 eights are 16, 1 6 16, 2 fours are 8, so 0 8, 0 8 8, 2 4, sorry, 2 nines are 18, 1 8 18. Likewise 7 eights are 56, 5 6 56, 7 fours are 2 8 28, 7 nines are 6 3 63. So now we finished multiplication. Now we have to add from this triangle. We have to move like this. We have to end with this triangle 6 here. Then in this diagonal row add all these three numbers. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 8 19. So 9 we are writing, and have the carry over. Anywhere you can write here carry over. 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 3 19. So 9 we are writing, have the carry over. In this row we are going to add the carry over 1. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 6 23. So 3 we are writing, then bring the 2 carry over here. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. No carry over, then here 7. Just copy it. So now we have to copy the number, solution from here. So now 783,996, 7,83,996 is the product of 948 and 827.